Three useful tab combinations when you work with geometry nodes. First, when you need to move node from one branch to another without breaking connection between nearby nodes or even old pipeline, just hold Alt-Tab and click on node with left mouse button and move to the necessary branch. Second, sometimes you just want to understand what do particular geometry node or what influence it has on your model. For this purpose, you can use mute function. Just choose necessary node and click on M button. And you will see that node become half transparent and inactive. And when you choose it once more and click again M, it will become active. Third case is when you need break connection without searching beginning or ended point. For this you just need to hold Ctrl and with right mouse button cut it when cursor become knife. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please subscribe and leave comments.